Hello friends, I'm Dr. Aarti Daswani, practicing at Divine Smiles Dental Clinic, Mumbai, India. Today here I am to share my experience after attending a week-long mind-blowing workshop on practice management by Dr. Bhavdeep Singh Ahuja sir. I found the workshop very insightful, practical and relevant to our day-to-day clinical practice and had an amazing learning experience. What I really liked about this workshop was that it was very thoughtfully designed, addressing the challenges of each of the participants and taking us through an inward journey towards finding our own solutions. Unlike few other workshops, it was not a serious one-sided talk. Sir made each session really engaging and interesting. The interactive volunteer question answer game and the practice growth analysis exercises were the most innovative aspect of the workshop that pushed me to introspect. It was actually like showing a mirror to myself. Sir shared his own practical experiences and incidents to put across few points, along with a blend of a sense of humor that grabbed my full attention throughout all the sessions. Also, I had great learning from the experiences shared by my co-participants. Daily attending the live sessions during those 7 days, posting the key takeaways, doing the homework exercises before the deadline, I found this workshop not less than a challenge that required my full involvement and thereby it enabled my full learning experience. There were quite a few light bulb moments during each session that opened up my new perspectives for me. There were few happy moments listening to the aspects and the systems which resonated with my own practice that I meticulously follow. Also, there were few moments of realization of few of my mistakes in my clinical practice that brought tears to my eyes and filled me with guilt and disappointment. But the daily dose of motivation by Sir uplifted me and gave me the strength and courage to accept and be willing to change and correct my mistakes. This workshop has definitely brought about a change in me, my behavior, and my attitude towards my dental practice. I would highly recommend this workshop to every dental practitioner to run their clinic more efficiently and to have a stress-free and a profitable dental practice. Thank you.